wait a sec. Seriously, bro. You're doing it all wrong.
I am?
Yeah, man, you didn't whack it.
I didn't whack it?
And honestly, I just kept smacking it. Blipping it, whacking it.
I really fucking whack the throttle. Just fucking crank it.
Yep, whack it, man. I watched a video that MaxWrist put out. And he says you're not supposed to wheelie like that. It's using the clutch is not functional at all, okay?
They're usually not very functional at all, but...
You're just gonna put the bike in like first gear and just whack the shit out of the throttle, okay?
Give the throttle a good whack.
Okay. First gear. MaxWrist knows what he's talking about, man. So this, no clutch?
No clutch.
No clutch, okay.
Yeah, that's pretty much exactly how we wheelies. You know, you just whack the shit out of the throttle in first, pray that you don't do it too much in loop.
Okay.
He didn't say anything about a foot brake, so I guess you don't want to use that.
Okay, forget the foot brake, got it.
Yeah, forget about your foot brake. Yeah, you don't want balance point, you just pretty much want to rev out the bike as hard as it can go until it just slams down on its own.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you should basically feel like you're about to blow up your bike. There you go. There you go. You're whacking it now. That's a MaxWrist wheelie.
All right. I'm doing it right now.
Yeah. No foot brake. You just whack the shit out of it.
No foot brake. Whack it.
There you go. Yeah. All right.
So we gotta whack it, blip it, smack it, slap it.
Blip it, lap it, smack it, fap it.
All right, whack it time.
Yep, whacking time. There you go. Yeah, I see you whacking it.
Did I look like MaxWrist, man?
Yeah, you did. Okay, I'm gonna whack it now. How was that? Man, I was whacking it hard.
Okay, whack it. That was some whacking, man. You did some real whacking.
To be honest, like, I don't condone people who don't really know how to wheelie putting out how to wheelie videos. You know, yeah, your front tire's off the ground, so yeah, I guess technically you're wheeling, but you're not doing it safely.
You're an uncontrollable projectile.
And you know, people are gonna get hurt. You know, I think there's a video of him actually doing one, and because he does them so wrong, he's gaining way too much speed, and you know, ends up crashing in a turn. Because he gained way too much speed in the wheelie. Yeah, I mean, you're just telling people to just rev the shit out of their bikes and bring it up like without any control, really.
It's a terrible idea.
And that's a terrible idea. Yeah, people are gonna loot their bikes. I don't think he mentioned a foot brake at all, like, which is exactly what you need to do or need to know when you're learning how to wheelie, so that you don't loop and die. Yeah, but no, I don't condone a how-to wheelie video if you're...
When you don't know how to.
When you don't know how to. Yeah, I mean...
It's like you build a house, the how to build a house, and the house ends up upside down. Like, why would you put that out?
Yeah, like that, I think that's like, I wouldn't even put a how-to wheelie video, and I can wheelie better than both those guys. And I would not put out a how-to wheelie video because I still don't think I'm good enough to teach other people how to do something like that that's going to get them hurt if I teach them wrong.
RIP to all the 1000cc guys that looped their bike after watching that video.
Yeah, so everybody, please do not jump on your 1000s in first gear and just
And whack it!
whack the shit out of your throttle. I mean, you're gonna die. I'm coming for that booty! Get me! I got it!
Now, to finish off my how to wheelie like MaxWrist video, I gotta find a Lamborghini and to show you how to get views. Oh yeah, I found it. I found the supercar. I found the supercar, boys. It's a concept Nissan GTR, the new one. It's right up there, man. You see it? It's all white. Do you see it, man? Oh,
I can't hear anything.
I said I found it. It's a concept GTR, all white. Not even out yet.
You found a GTR?
It's a GTR. It's right there, man. It's right in front of this gray car. GTR. You ready? Are you videoing? Can you see me, man? Here I go. Man, that's worth at least 1 million views right there.
Yep. Get this GTR. Too much foot brake. Bye,